manufacturing engineer on number 9 paper machine. I'm responsible for environmental, health and safety, cost of production, reliability, and uptime for the paper machine.
A lot of things you'll see in a doctor's office, from exam table paper, medical towels, barrier devices. As the production coordinator, I am in charge of scheduling, working with planning to make sure that we have all of our resources in the right spot.
I'm putting boxes on the skid because these boxes were messed up. I have like a job coach.
I work in the consumer division as a field service technician, so I build machines, set machines up, or do troubleshooting at customer sites.
Hello, my name is Gracia Hernandez. I work at Rockline Industries in the HR and training department as an operations support resource. In my job, I am in charge of basically all training for production associates within my shift.
Data analytics and simulation is all about analyzing data that hasn't been in ways that it hasn't been analyzed before. It's a great feeling when for a client I can go through and simulate a whole future layout that they're potentially looking at.
I wound up at this company because I had 7 years of manufacturing experience. When I first started here, I was like, oh wow, this is really different. And I honestly thought it was going to be easier.
We build pressure vessels, all different types. We do a lot of other things, machining, blasting, hydro testing, but primarily it's a welding company.
MPS make paper products like toilet paper, napkins. Every morning when I come, I clock in a computer and then I talk to the night shift operator. I talk about what happened last night and what is going to be next.
We make the world's best commercial laundry equipment. As a quality engineer, I kind of deal with everything that is involved with the product, from the screws that go into it all throughout the final packaging, even to the customer.
We do all different sizes. We do custom sizes as well as the standards. We make tents for wineries and different businesses where it's always bringing people together.
We do more custom work. I like to call it the higher dollar stuff.
Been welding for about 5 years, and it's fun to see the newer hires coming in and asking me questions and seeking guidance.